investigations now in that big 2G scam. Former telecom minister and a key accused in this matter, A. Raja, has now written to the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Meera Kumar. He's demanded that he be allowed to appear before the JPC, which is probing the scandal. In his letter, he says nobody can be held guilty without first being given a chance to be heard. Raja wrote to the Speaker today and is yet to receive a response. The letter comes after JPC Chief PC Chacko said no more witnesses would be called in front of the panel. Let's talk to CNN-IBN's Meetu Jain for more on this. Meetu, any response from the Speaker at all? Because the JPC Chief says since this matter is sub judice, since the court is already hearing this matter, there is no point calling A. Raja, who's a key accused in this 2G case.
Well, actually, it's not just about the Speaker. You see, whether it was the case of the Finance Minister, Mr. P. Chidambaram, or now Raja, the Speaker's decision is this: there has to be unanimity within the JPC before the JPC can actually come to the Speaker for a final decision. So Raja might be writing to the Speaker asking her to intervene, but the fact is that the Speaker's say in this matter is that the JPC has to first be unanimous. And from what we understand, there might be some Congress members who would actually be opposing a key UPA ally wanting to come and depose before the JPC. And what we also understand is that even though a window has been kept open for Mr. A. Raja to depose before the JPC, if Mr. Raja gets a chance to depose, then the BJP, I can assure you, will make sure that they get a chance to be heard as well. They will be demanding that it's not just A. Raja, but all former telecom ministers should be called, including then telecom minister Sushma Swaraj. So it's going to be another case of scoring political brownie points over each other. But from what we understand, Raja might be making a last-ditch attempt now to get the Speaker to hear his case out and give him a chance to speak. But where the JPC is concerned, there's no unanimity, and even if there is unanimity, there would be a lot of reluctance, because that would mean extending the term of the JPC again and again, something that the Congress wants to wrap up now because they don't want to keep the 2G pot boiling.